Hello and welcome to my channel if you're new. If you've been here before, welcome back. In today's video we're going to make face scrubbies to wash away your makeup with and just wash your face with. I'm using a yarn that is 100% cotton so that the face scrubbie will hold up for a long time and I'll be able to wash it in 60 degrees to get rid of bacteria. I'm using a 4mm crochet hook. To make this face scrubby, I'm going to crochet using 2 strands of yarn, just because I want the scrubby to be a bit thicker. I'm starting off by making a magic circle. If you don't know how to make a magic circle and you want a tutorial on it, if you have a hard time following along in this video, I've made a tutorial on how to make a magic circle before, so I'm linking it in the description below and it will also pop up in the corner. When you have made your magic circle, you're going to chain 3. This will count as a double crochet. Then we'll put 7 double crochets through the magic circle. You want to have a total of 8 double crochets in the magic circle, counting the first chain 3 as a double crochet. Then you're going to pull on the ends and put a slip stitch to close the circle. Then we'll chain 3. Then we're going to put a double crochet into the same stitch that we chained the 3 from. Then we're going to put 2 double crochets in each stitch all the way around. When we have reached the end of the round, we're going to close it up by putting a slip stitch. Then, once again, we're going to chain 3. Then we're going to double crochet into the same stitch at the bottom. Then we're going to put 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and then we'll put 2 double crochets into the following stitch. Then we'll put 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and then 2 in the following one. That's what we're going to do all the way around. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, 1, 2, 1, 2, all the way around. And when we have reached the end again, we're going to close the round by putting a slip stitch in the 3rd chain. Now we're going to make a loop to hang the scrubby in, and I'm going to chain 14 because I think that's a good amount. And now that I've chained 14, I'm going to put a slip stitch through the stitch at the bottom of the chain. And then we're almost finished with our scrubbie. We're just going to sew in the ends. When you have secured the ends, you are done. I hope you enjoyed the video. I think these are pretty simple to do, and they are really cute and a great way to reduce the amount of cotton pads that you use and just throw away. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like down below and subscribe to my channel for more crochet related videos and tutorials. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!